No intro today, guys, because it's gonna be a short video, so no silliness, no tomfoolery. This is just an update video. Several months ago, I sealed a couple of projects with a concrete sealer called Simple Coat, and I promised you guys that I would do an update video 6 months later and 12 months later. Well, a couple of you reminded me that I forgot to make the 6 months later video, so that's what this is. This is the 6.5 month later update video of how this stuff is holding up. Starting with the double sink concrete vanity top I did several months ago. This was a project for my in-laws. I asked them to clear the top off and just give it a quick cleaning. That's it. We never resealed it. We just left it as is. They went about their business using their vanity top like they always do. What are my thoughts? I think it still looks great. Still looks like the day I made it. No splotches, no dark spots, no stains. I did do a quick little test and see if it still beads water. Dropped several drops of water on it and it still beats the water pretty good. Now, I don't have to tell you that bathroom vanities take a lot of abuse, a lot of moisture, so I'm very impressed with how the vanity held up. Now let's move on to a bar top I made, and I put that thing outside, completely uncovered. So this is the bar top that we pretty much just use to sit the Canon plant for the whole summer while it's alive. Now it's dead. So I haven't touched this in about 6 months. So we're gonna see what's going on underneath this Canon plant and if we can clean the surface at all. There's some staining that we can see already from leaves and just behind the Canon plant. But yeah, let's see how this thing's holding up. There's definitely a big old mark or stain, so I am going to try and clean that up and see if it's a stain. Well, as you can see, I was able to wipe off most of the staining, except for these 3 bad spots right here. But for the most part, I was able to get this clean. Now, I strongly feel, had I done a reseal maybe a couple of months ago, that this would not have happened. The company does state that you shouldn't have to reseal, but since this is 100% exposed to the elements, there's no roof over here, it's got 100% sun pretty much all day long, all the weather, that this definitely could have used a reseal. So I'm going to reseal this, and I want to see what happens for the next 6 months. I still feel like this is a good product, especially since you saw how it held up in a bathroom. So 6 months later, what are my thoughts? Even though we had a little bit of staining in the outdoor project, at this point I still recommend this product. I'm very impressed with how it held up with the bathroom vanity, but we will see you 6 months from now to give you my final thoughts on whether or not I'm going to continue to recommend the Simple Coat concrete sealer. So, see you in the next video. That's it.